Question number 5 shows a graph, and it looks something like this: 4 and 8. It asks the displacement in meters after 2 seconds. The displacement in meters after 2 seconds. Now, if 4 seconds is 8 meters, 2 seconds would be 4 meters. Acceleration. The area of this part can be 2 times 4. I found this just because I know that I can make a proportion. I know that if 4 seconds is 8 meters, and I want to find 2 seconds is x meters, I could cross multiply, get 16 divided by 4x, and when you divide, you get 4. So the area of this will be 8. However, it is only this part that we need, so we will divide by 2, and the area equals 4.